Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with the final Cursed City minis. These are the objective markers. They were all primed in Viejo Grey and I start off with the Hanging Skeleton with Charred Brown. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or you can join Discord using the link in the description. I also stream on Twitch on Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Next up is the skeleton itself with skeleton bone all over it. This was also used to do that sort of bit of paper that's been pinned to the wood. The rope is done with hemp rope. For the sack over its head, I use Viejo Leather Brown. While I still wait for the brown to dry, I use black on the base and some of the text on the note. To highlight the wood, I use Army Painter's Leather Brown. Now onto the base, I get started with a dry brush of Cold Grey. The next dry brush is Stonewall Grey. I also dabbed this onto the nails holding the frame together. There are a few vines on the base, so I grabbed green skin for these. To finish up, I use Strong Tone Wash over the entire mini. Next up, I get started on the gravestone with black all over the base and the stone itself. Since there is a lot of stone on here, I figured I would do the base as well, starting with a dry brush of Cold Grey. To finish the stone, it gets another dry brush of Stonewall Grey. Onto the log growing out of the grave, I used charred brown. The candles needed to stand out some more, so I used skeleton bone. There are a couple of metallic parts on this one. For these I used glorious gold. The flowers around the base are done with pure red. To finish up, I do another wash of strong tone all over. Onto the final marker, starting off with the base again of black and a dry brush of cold grey followed by stonewall grey. Again for the vines, the base is greenskin. For the raven I used black grey. I didn't want to use black, otherwise I feel like it would lose a lot of the detail on the sculpt and just look a bit bland. The key was done with glorious gold. To finish up, as with all of the markers, it's an all over wash of strong tone. And that will be it for the markers and all of Cursed City. Now I just need to finish off some of the Orphan Watch and we can get to playing it. If I can get a decent camera set up, there might be a few videos of actual play coming as well using these minis. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you've been hobbying on. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi pages. If you want to support the channel more than you already do, you can drop a one-off tip on my Ko-fi page towards helping getting better equipment. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.